Hi, this is Sonya. Motion is a lotion for our joints. Some of our body aches and pains can be easily solved by moving our body. So this video will show you how to fix our rounded shoulders and bring our shoulders back correctly. Also, will show you how to strengthen your posture muscles. Hope it helps you. Stand nice and tall, left hand behind your head. Move your face forward like you're smelling flowers. Then gently press your head back into your hand so your ears are on the top of your shoulders. Do it a few times. Keep your chin parallel to the floor when you move your head. Keep your head gently pressing into your hand, right elbow bent at a 90-degree angle by your ribs, palm facing up. Reach right elbow behind your body, squeeze right shoulder blade towards your spine. Do it a few times. Your ribs stay still, just your elbow and shoulder blade moving. Now second side. Right hand behind your head, move your head forward and back a few times. When your head is forward, the back of your neck is working too hard. This is to stretch the muscles in the back of the neck and strengthen muscles in the front of the neck to hold your head on top of your spine. Left elbow bend, palm facing up. Keep your head on top of your spine and move elbow behind your body a few times. Left shoulder blade squeezes towards your spine when you move your elbow back. Now do it with both sides a few times. Very important to keep your head on top of your spine first, then work on squeezing the muscles around your shoulder blades. If you want more challenge, you can use resistance like a TheraBand or lightweights to strengthen your back muscles to hold your posture. If you like this video, please press like and share. You can find more videos on my channel for workouts, exercises, and tips to take care of your body. Welcome to subscribe. Remember to hit the bell by the subscription button so that you get weekly upload. Love your comments and see you soon in the next video.